Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix apps stop working and crashing error on your Android smartphone. So first step, open settings, and here you need to go into the app management and click on app list and search for Google services. Click here, and first step you need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to search for Google Play Store. Click here storage and cache. So first clear cache, then you need to clear storage, and then you need to search for the app that is facing an issue. So for example, my Facebook is crashing, so click here, and you need to clear storage and cache from here. Once you done that, you need to update app from your Play Store. Update from here, and after that your issue get resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.